Do you end every month wondering where your paycheck disappeared? In the next 8 minutes I'll show you a simple budgeting system that you can set up in 15 minutes, and actually stick to. We'll track your real spending, sort it into 4 clear buckets, apply a flexible allocation rule, automate transfers, and do a weekly check that takes 10 minutes. After 30 days you'll see where money leaks are, and how to stop them. The right mindset. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's choice. The goal is clarity, knowing where money goes so you can decide what matters. If a system is too strict, you'll abandon it. So simplicity first. Step 1. Track honestly for 2 weeks. For 14 days write down every purchase. Coffee, subway fare, in-app purchases, everything. Use a notes app or one simple spreadsheet. At the end, sum weekly totals and multiply to estimate monthly spend. This gives an honest baseline, don't guess. Step 2. 4 buckets: needs, wants, savings, debt. Create these 4 categories: needs, rent, groceries, bills, wants, streaming, eating out, savings, emergency, investments, debt, minimums plus extra. Color code them in your sheet. Assign each expense. Step 3. Flexible 50/30/20ths. Start with 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. If needs are higher, cut wants first or find quick wins. Downgrade a subscription, negotiate a bill, sell an unused item. Example: $2,500 income, right pointing arrow, needs $1,250, wants $750, savings $500. Step 4. Automate. On payday, set automatic transfers to emergency savings, retirement, and a sinking fund. Use high-yield accounts for savings. Once automated, it's passive and consistent. Step 5. 10-minute weekly review. Every Sunday, spend 10 minutes, update categories, note surprises, and adjust next week. Tiny weekly fixes prevent monthly shocks. Recap. Track 2 weeks, categorize, apply flexible 50/30/20ths, automate transfers, and 10-minute weekly review. Download the checklist link below and try it for 30 days. Subscribe. Next video: best free budgeting apps.